Maintaining the integrity of a clean room isn't just a regulatory requirement, it's the foundation of safe pharmaceutical production, biotechnology research, and medical device manufacturing. In environments this critical, bio-decontamination must be effective, consistent, and fully validated. Anything less puts product quality, patient safety, and compliance at risk. That's where Curis system delivers a different standard of cleanroom bio-decontamination. Cura's patented hybrid hydrogen peroxide, 8HP vapor technology, enables facilities to meet or exceed Annex 1, CGMP, and FDA expectations. By extending the aseptic barrier beyond isolators and across material airlocks, transfer hatches, and entire cleanroom spaces, Curis ensures full spatial efficacy throughout the contamination pathway. Whether treating isolators, material airlocks, or underdeck spaces, faster cycles and quicker return to safe levels mean less downtime and higher facility utilization. In fact, Curis systems have demonstrated up to 4.8 times faster recovery from outgassing compared to high-concentration hydrogen peroxide systems. The result: streamlined workflows, fewer bottlenecks, and more productive cleanrooms. Legacy decontamination methods, such as formaldehyde, ethylene oxide, and chlorine dioxide, introduce serious safety and material risks. Curis helps eliminate these risks with a 7% AHP solution that delivers proven 6-log or greater sporicidal efficacy, compatibility with sensitive materials and equipment, non-carcinogenic chemistry that leaves no harmful residue, Annex 1 and current CGMP guidance emphasize the need for validated sporicidal treatment across the entire contamination pathway. Curis systems deliver automated, uniform disinfection across material airlocks and pass-throughs, critical cleanroom surfaces and underdeck spaces, filter housings, RABs, and lyophilizers, sensitive equipment areas where manual wipe-downs fall short. Curis offers mobile systems, partially integrated systems, and fully integrated turnkey solutions, scaling from individual rooms to complete facilities. For high-throughput operations, Curis also provides a dual-delivery integrated bio-decontamination system, pairing HHP for validated efficacy in material airlocks and larger spaces, rapid vapor for fast, targeted disinfection of smaller transfer spaces like pass boxes. This approach is already trusted by industry leaders such as Boehringer Ingelheim to support inspection-ready, high-efficiency operations. Curis cleanroom solutions are engineered with regulatory alignment at their core. Every cycle captures audit-ready data, including dwell time, operator identification, and system status supporting EU GMP Annex 1, requirements for automation and full surface coverage, CGMP expectations for standardized, reproducible disinfection cycles, FDA expectations for data-driven contamination risk mitigation. Curis also supports the goals of Pharma 4.0, aligning with Alcoa Plus principles through integrated software and sensor-driven feedback designed for digitally enabled, inspection-ready facilities. Curis HHP Vapor has demonstrated greater than 6-log sporicidal efficacy in some of the most challenging spaces, including isolator gloves, IVC filters, cages, and interstitial areas. This level of uniform coverage consistently outperforms manual wipe-downs and spray-based methods. Facilities can choose from mobile whole room systems, partially integrated quick connect solutions, fully integrated facility-wide bio-decontamination systems, all delivering the same validated performance. Now, let's take a look inside. From flush mount nozzles to verified system efficacy, this next section showcases Curis in action, delivering high-performance bio-decontamination with precision, speed, and zero compromise to clean room integrity. THHP is injected into the shower room and diffuses to reach every corner of the space. Clean rooms demand more than clean surfaces. They demand certainty. With material-safe chemistry, validated automation, and full documentation, Curis brings confidence back to cleanroom biodecontamination, whether you're preparing for inspection, scaling production, or preventing cross-contamination in high-risk environments. Let's upgrade your biodecontamination strategy. Talk to a Curis subject matter expert today and explore what trusted cleanroom control looks like.